Good day, I'm Lorraine Mendez and this is your JIS News for Wednesday, October 5. Prime Minister Andrew Holness is commending the various government agencies and officials that responded to the threat of Hurricane Matthew over the past few days. In a statement yesterday, the Prime Minister said government agencies along with the private sector, church and other volunteer groups worked tirelessly to prepare the country as the Category 4 hurricane moved menacingly toward the island. Looking ahead, he has urged Jamaicans to pray for our Caribbean neighbors who were not spared the impact of Matthew, adding that government stands ready to assist the people of Haiti. In the meantime, all except 3 schools that were being used as shelters reopened their doors today as the country resumed normal operations. Education Minister Senator Ruel Reid says his ministry is working with the relevant parish coordinators to relocate displaced persons who are still seeking shelter at the Mandeville Primary and Junior High and the Manchonil and Onoto Bay Primary Schools. Meanwhile, all health centers that were closed on Monday in anticipation of Hurricane Matthew have been reopened. The Flankers Health Center, which was closed on Tuesday due to gun violence, is still not in operation. In other news, 1,800 families in Clarendon are to benefit from a $500,000 Parenting for Math pilot project. The project, set to commence in November, will involve United States consultants working with local mathematics experts to conduct training of parents through group coaching and workshops.
We believe if we can change the dialogue that takes place between parent and child from very early as they are beginning to formally develop their mathematical skills and competencies, we're more likely to have a lasting impact, not just on the parent, but then as a result on the child.
The National Mathematics Coordinator was addressing a recent JIS think tank. The Math Pilot Project will target parents of children who are on the Program of Advancement through Health and Education path. It's slated to end in July 2017 and is being implemented by the Education Ministry with funding support from the Inter-American Development Bank and the Japanese High Commission. The Jamaica Business Development Corporation, JBDC, is looking to strengthen the capacity of small businesses to build research-based marketing strategies.
When their capacities are strengthened in this regard, they'll be able to find out who their competitors are, one, what are the products and services being offered, where are the gaps, because innovation really begins with understanding the gaps and being responsive in terms of developing products and services that will narrow or close those particular gaps.
JBDC's head of research and project development was speaking at a recent JIS think tank. She urged micro, small and medium enterprises to register for the upcoming Forum on Markets Innovation and Capital Forumic, which will be held at the Montego Bay Convention Center in St. James from October 24 to 26. Forumic is a space for business and financial innovations and provides a platform for microfinance businesses to showcase their products and services.
So I've set up an automated platform to allow for practitioners to arrange meetings during the conference. To explore partnerships for access to markets, partnership for consultancies or to attract human resources, and also there are a number of fund managers and investors, angel investors, that will be available.
Over 41 countries are expected to attend. And finally, Finance Minister Audley Shaw is meeting with Jamaica's multilateral partners in the United States this week to help further advance the country's economic growth program. The minister is leading a delegation to the annual meetings of the International Monetary Fund, the IMF, and the World Bank Group. The 3-day meetings run from October 6 to 9, focusing on the global economy, international development, and the world's financial markets. During his 4-day travel overseas, Minister Shaw will also attend the Commonwealth Finance Ministers meeting and the joint meeting of the committees of the boards of governors of the Inter-American Development Bank and the Inter-American Investment Corporation. The minister and his team will also engage in meetings with senior officials from the U.S. Treasury, focusing on Jamaica's economic progress and cooperation, as well as the strategy and policies going into a new successor economic program. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Lorraine Mendez. Thanks for watching.